This is a window by my front door, showing you a little bit of what we have for snow. And then, if I get up, I can show you that it goes up to about my waistline. And then you see my wonderful car.
That's dug in.
That's buried in. And I open the door, my first door. You can see my neighbor's car is completely buried in. And there's a truck stuck on the street. And we can't even open our door, our front door.
I really wish I could go outside and play, but I'm really bored and the blizzard made it worse, and I hate just having blizzards because I want to have fun, and now I'm terribly bored.
This is insane.
I hate having blizzards. They're the worst thing ever.
We hate blizzards.